Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of mathematics paper 1 as well as paper 2. In today's lecture we'll be talking about the topic named as weight and measurement. This is the part 3 of the measurement, where we'll be discussing some of the questions based upon the measurement. For the central teacher eligibility test for the complete course, paper 1 as well as paper 2, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform. So if you want to get enrolled to the complete course for the CTET examination, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store or contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. The highlighting feature of this particular course is that one-on-one mentorship will be provided to you. As I have told you, Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application with such a logo. After installing the application, you'll find such type of interface where there is an icon named as a store icon. Click on it, you'll move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET. Once you'll type CTET, course along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course whichever you want to. We have course for CTET paper 1, paper 2 individually, as well as the combined course of paper 1 as well as paper 2. So, the very first question of today's lecture is, how many meters are there in 2 kilometers, 7 hectometers and 5 decameter? Okay, so as we have already discussed in the previous lecture, there are some of the tricks by which we can understand the length conversion or any unit conversion. Okay, so that was to convert kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter, meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, and centimeter to millimeter. Many of the students are getting confused in DAM and DM. Please do not get confused here. DAM, it means decameter. DAM, okay, and decimeter, decimeter means just a DM. Okay, so here whenever we are converting the units from kilometer to millimeter, from kilometer to hecto, hecto to deca, deca to meter, meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. So in this situation, you simply have to multiply, already discussed in yesterday's lecture, multiply for each step by 10. And whenever you are moving from millimeter to kilometer, at that time you have to divide by 10 for each step. For each step you have to divide by 10. Okay, so here now, how many meters are there in 2 kilometer, 7 hectometer and 5 decameter? They have asked us. First thing we can clearly see here is we have to basically calculate only meters, right? So we'll convert the given data over here into meters. So if we look here, as we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So can I write a 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter? Yes. So I have converted 2 kilometer into meters. Nextly, for 7 hectometer, we have to convert hectometer to meter. So for converting hectometer into meter, what we are going to do is we are going to multiply by 10 2 times, because we are actually multiplying for each step by 10. So here we have to take 2 steps to reach up to meter from hectometer. So here I will multiply 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. So basically I have 10 into 10 meters, that is 100 meter. So 7 hectometer will be equivalent to 700 meters. Okay, now let's see the third one, that is the 5 dam, that is 5 decameter. We have to convert the decameter into meter. To convert 1 decameter into into meter, what we'll do, 1 dam is equal to, we have to actually take only a single step, and we are moving in this direction, so we'll just multiply once by 10. So 1 dam is equal to 10 meters, so 5 dam will be equal to 50 meters. So now we have completely converted the given values into meter, that is 2000 meters. 7 hectometer will give us 700 meters. One dam, that is 1 decameter, will give us a 10 meter. Take summation of all this, we will get the value as 2710. Sorry, something went wrong. Actually this was 50, not 2750, because it was 50 meter, right? So here the correct answer for the given question is option number A. Moving to question number B, which one of the following is not correct, they have asked us. They have given the sentence over here. Now whatever the questions today I am taking in the class is completely based upon the previous year question papers. Okay, so previous year question papers questions have been extracted for today's lecture. So which of the following is not correct? We have to actually find out the incorrect statement from the given options. 1 millimeter is equal to 1/100 of 1 liter. Okay, 1 milliliter is equal to 1/100 of 1 liter. It means that we know one thing, that 1 liter is equal to how much milliliters, sir? 1000 milliliters. So here 1 milliliter will be equal to 10⁻³ liters. Am I right? It means I can write this as 1/1000 liters. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. So 1 milliliter will be equivalent to 1/1000 liter. That is, it is 1/1000 of 1 liter. It is 1/1000 part of 1 liter. Okay, so if we are considering the 1000 parts of one single liter, so the 1000 part of one part of that complete 1000 liters is nothing but 1 milliliter. So the first option is only the wrong one, because they have given here is 1/100 of 1 liter. So this is the wrong one. It means we have to find the wrong one. So this option is the correct answer for the given question. If we look at the second option, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. We have already learnt in our previous classes where place value and face value we have learnt. So 1 lakh is equivalent to 100,000, we know that. Okay, next is 1 crore is also equivalent to 100 lakhs. This is also we have studied. Okay, and 1 centimeter is 100 part of 1 meter. As we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Got it? In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. We have learned these two, right? So this is also the correct one. So the answer for the given question is option number A. So this is the incorrect statement. Moving on to the next question, which of the following is not correct? Again the question from the previous year question papers. Look at the option number 1. 1 gram is 1/100 of 1 kilogram. 1 millimeter is equivalent to 1/10 of 1 centimeter. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 and 1/100 of a crore is equal to 1 lakh. So if we look at the first option only, we know in 1 kilogram there are 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 gram is equal to 1/1000 kilogram. It means 10⁻³ kilogram. Right? So this is the 1000th part of 1 kilogram, not 100th part. So this is the correct answer. This is the first statement which is incorrect. Okay, so if we look at the second statement, 1 milliliter is 1/10 of 1 centimeter. This is also the correct one, right? Option number B is also the correct one. If we look at the option number C, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. This is also correct one. 100 of a crore is equal to 1 lakh. Yes, this is also the correct one. So the incorrect answer for the given question is, so the incorrect option, or we can say the statement which is not correct, is the option number 1. That is the answer for the given question. Moving on to the question number 4, which of the following is not correct? They have asked us over here. First option is 1 paisa is equivalent to 0.01 rupees. 1.5 dozen is equivalent to 18. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter, and 3 liters 30 milliliters is equivalent to 330 milliliters. We'll check the option wise each and every option over here. If you look at the first option, we know one thing, that 1 rupee is equivalent to 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupee it means 100 paisa. So if I take 1 paisa, it means 1/100 rupee. This is correct. If 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, then 1 paisa will be equivalent to 1 upon 100 rupees. It means 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupee. 1 upon 100 can be written as 0.01. So this is the correct option. Okay, we cannot, but in given question they have asked us to find out which is incorrect. The first one is correct. This is not the answer. If we look at the second option, 1.5 dozen, we know in one dozen of banana there are 12 bananas. In one dozen there are 12 bananas. If we see the half dozen, it means there are half of these 12, that is 6 bananas. Okay, so they are asking us in 1.5 dozen how many bananas are going to come. 12 plus 6, that is equals to 18 bananas. So second option is also the correct one. Second statement is also the correct one. If we look at the third statement, 1 millimeter is equals to 0.1 centimeter. This is also the correct one. Now look here, each and every calculation we don't have to do it. You just have to remind this one. You can clearly go through all the conversions. Either it may be of the length, either it may be of the mass. Okay, so if we look at the fourth option now, I hope you have taken the screenshot of this screen. If not, then please do take it. Now all the three options are correct one. We have to find the incorrect. Now we can clearly say that this is incorrect, but why? Let us see that. They have given us 3 liters 30 milliliters is equals to 330 milliliters. Look here, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. We know this. If 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters, so 3 liter will be equivalent to 3000 milliliters, right? 3 liter will be equivalent to 3000 milliliters. So they are asking us 3 liters 30 milliliter will be equal to what? How much milliliter? So 3 liters, it means 3000 milliliters plus upper ke 30 milliliters will get how much? Will get 3030 milliliter. So the correct answer for the given question is option number D. This is the incorrect statement. The correct statement that they should have given over here was 3030 milliliter. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. Which one of the following is not correct? Okay, they have given us 56.7 kilogram is equals to 5670 gram. A cube has 6 faces. 1 millimeter is equals to 0.1 centimeter. 0.10 is same as 0.1. If we look at the question carefully, if we go by option wise, okay, here first thing that you must know here is 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. What is given in the first option? They are telling us 56.7 kilogram will be equal to how much grams? Look here, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 56.7 will be 56.7 into 1000. This decimal point got cut and this also 0 got cancelled over here. Left is what? 56700. How I have cut? Basically what I have done here is I have simply cut the decimal point and 1 0. Okay, so 56700 is your answer. So what they have given here is 5670, not 00. So this is only the answer of the given question. They have asked us which is not correct. The first statement is not correct because 56.7 kilograms is equals to 56700 grams, not 5670 grams. Okay, so this is the correct answer for the given question. But let us see what remaining rest of the correct statements given over here. A cube has 6 faces. Yes, we have already seen in the topic of mensuration that a cube is having 6 faces. Okay, 1 millimeter is equals to 0.1 centimeter. Again, something that we have already seen it. This is also the correct one. 0.10 is same as 0.1. This is also the correct one. For this, I'll give you a few examples. For example, 1.0, 0.10, 0.1, 1.00. Okay, again what can we take? 1.73. okay, 0.73, 0.73. okay, these are few examples where I'm telling you that 1.0 it means 1 only. Okay, if after any given digit, after any given value, if they are giving us 0.0, it means the value of 0.0 is nullified over there. Okay, 0.0 doesn't mean that it is going to change the value. No, it's not going to change the value. 1 can be written as 1.0 again. This is the same. 1 is equals to 1.0. No problem. It is the same. Okay. Now 0.10, now 0.10, now here look here, whenever after the decimal point whatever the digits are coming, like for example 0.10, here 1 is considered the number, the next number is not considered over here, that is 0 is not considered. So here this is nothing but this is 0.1 only, this is not 0.10. Okay, even if we are writing 0.10, but the value is nothing but it is 0.1. If your question in your mind may be, ma'am, 0.17, does it mean 0.1? No, this is only applicable for 0, the only digit, that is 0. It is applicable for the only digit, that is 0 over here. Here 0.1, again it means 0.1. 1.00, after 0.00 is coming, again we are nullifying it. Basically we are not considering this 0 value, that is equal to 1. 1.73, it means now 1.73, not 1 only. Okay, 0.73, it means 0.73. 0.73 is nothing but 0.73 again. You have to try to understand these two things, where 0.10 or 0.107 is given, then here 0.10 it means 0.1 can be written for this, but here 0.107 is nothing but 0.107 only. So if I am writing 0.10 या फिर 0.00 or how many zeros I wanted to write, I can write it, but the value is nothing but it is 0.1 only. Please keep in mind. Okay, moving on to the next question now. If a water tank has 5 liters of water, then how many minimum pots of equal capacity of 250 ml can be filled from the water tank? Option given here are 200, 600, 2500 and 2000. Okay, for example, now take a water tank. In this water tank we have 500 liters of water. Okay, now we have start filling up this water in certain vessels or certain equal capacity of pots. Okay, this is 250 ml of pot, this is also similarly 250 ml, this is also 250 ml pot, this is also 250 ml pot, 250 ml, 250 ml. If we start filling up this 500 liter of water in 250 ml of the vessels, then how many such vessels are required to fill the whole 500 liters? First thing that you have to clearly understand over here is that the water in the tank is given in liters, and they're asking us to fill up the pots which is given, whose capacity is given in milliliters. Okay, so to do this, what we will do is we'll convert this 500 liter into milliliters and then we'll solve the question. Look here now, a tank of 500 milliliter, we are going to fill certain vessels of 250 ml. So how many such vessels are required to fill 500 liters, not milliliters? Okay, so now 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. So 500 liter will be equivalent to 20 as it is into 1000. If we do, it will give us 123, that is 5 lakhs milliliter. Got it? So here so here we have got what? We have completely converted the value which is given to us, that is 500 liter into 5 lakh milliliters. Now we start filling up the small vessels. If we start filling up the small pots, now how many pots are required? If one pot given here is of 250 ml, that is one pot is occupying 250 ml, then how many pots are required to fill up 5 lakh milliliters? This is the question. Simply cross multiply it, that is 5 lakh milliliter into 1 pot is equivalent to 250 into 2 pot. Okay, so this will, sorry, question mark pot, not 2 pot, this is question mark, this is question mark. Okay, so here 5 lakh into 1, 5 lakh divide by this 250, here it is in multiplication with the question mark. If we take this on, if we take it on the left hand side, it will go in division. 0 0 got cancelled, 25 2s are 50, 1 2 3 zeros are left. It means 2000 pots are required 2000 pots are required to fill 500 liters of water or 5 lakh milliliters of water. Got it? So the correct answer for the given question is option number D. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the questions whatever I have taken here, and all the questions belong to the previous year question papers. Okay, so simply one more lecture will be there on measurement, and once that lecture is done, we'll complete the whole topic of measurement over here. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it, and if you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. If you have any kind of doubt regarding the questions that I have taken here or regarding the enrollment of the course, then you can let me know in the comment section. Other than that, please do like the video, please subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, and share to the maximum students who are preparing for the CTET examination, so that they can score maximum marks in the examination and can have guaranteed selection. And thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.